Hi, I'm Marjory Wildcraft. I'm founder of the Grow Network and author of the book, The Grow System, The Essential Guide to Modern Self-Sufficient Living from Growing Food to Making Medicine. And with me today to teach you a little bit about modern self-reliance is...
I'm Dr. Michelle Jorgensen, founder of Living Well with Dr. Michelle, and I've written a book called Be Prepared, Not Scared, and I'm really excited to share some of the things from this book with you.
In this segment, I'm with Dr. Michelle, and she's going to show us the contents of her get-home bag. So this is not a bug-out bag. This is like you're out and about, something major has happened, and she just needs to make sure that she can get home. And believe it or not, all this stuff we're going to show you fits into this one bag. So Dr. Michelle, you want to point out some of these items here and show people what you've... You can put all kinds of stuff in here, and you definitely want to customize it to your family. But what have you got?
You know, I really want to explain, too, why you would do this. A bug-out bag is for when you need to evacuate your home. But I want you to think about emergencies. The large majority of emergencies, are you going to be home? Are your family members going to be home? And so this gives you that peace and security to know we're going to be able to make it back home again, whereas the place that we really want to be from a security standpoint. So some things that you're going to need if you are stuck and have to walk home from wherever you are, you know, a pocket knife, a flashlight, a signal whistle with a compass on the end, just some little things like this. Band-Aids and money, gloves, duct tape, you know, these are things that you need all the time. If you're having to cut yourself out of places or get home, water and food, really important. So you can stay hydrated, water no matter where you are. This is to stay warm. It's a Mylar blanket. It's really tiny, so it fits into a small bag like this, but it will keep you warm. A first aid kit and medicine. Both of these are really important for anything that you might encounter on the road. And then some fire starters, waterproof survival matches, some things like this, so that no matter where you are, you're going to be able to care for yourself until you can get home. That's really the purpose of this kit.
I love that. So that's a really great kit. And again, you're going to want to customize that to having some medicines that are particular to you and your family, or things that you know that are hazards in your region that you might want to make sure. Like I lived in Texas, and we always carried bolt cutters with us because we never knew when we were going to have to go through barbed wire to get across something because the road was closed or something. So that was part of our get home kit, believe it or not. It was bolt cutters. So
yep, I love it.
Great little kit. Thanks so much. And this is just to get you started. And it's a great idea to have something like that in your car with you anywhere so you can get home.